Okay, here's how to install the connector with the fire alarm, those wires. So this one is a fire alarm that put down in the switch. This is the terminal, the speaker. So you turn around, there's a two connector right here. There's one is a positive little right here. That's a negative right here. See, it's hard to see. So this one here, and also you can open it. This right here. This is switch put down just like here. It's like put down when you close this, go down like this. So this is the switch. So here's a positive. This is a positive. This is a negative. Okay, how do you do a wire? Either you can use like a 9-volt battery. It's a little low, yeah. But also you can use DC or DC, but DC the power adapter. DC power adapter. 12 volt to up to maximum 24 volt. But this is 12 volt DC. So you can cut it. You can cut it. Cut off like this, and use this guy to cut it, and cut it like this, right? Okay. So do that again. Okay. So cut a little bit here. Okay. Cut a little bit here. Now sometimes it's the white one is positive, but sometimes the white little color is positive, or sometimes not. So I don't know. You can switch. You can test when you switch. This time I found out it's a different one. This is the white one is negative. The white color, little white color is negative. So anyway, so the positive right here, you can connect to the positive right here. But even so, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. But you only need this 2 is connected. This 2 is connected. So only this 2 is considered 1. This is considered 1. So this 2 sides of the switch. So you can use that. And this is negative. You can find there's a negative right here. You connect to the negative terminal here. Negative terminal. And also you can find any of the wire. So any of the wire. Okay. So anyway, so you cut. Okay. And you can make it. Okay. Okay. Make a nice one. Okay. So here's a little too short. Make a nice one. Okay, yeah, okay, cut out first. Okay, so it's right here. You connect to the, actually this is negative, right? This is positive. Connect hold on, let me see. Okay, here you go. Connect to here. And this negative is supposed to put a positive, so put a positive here. Let me see first, so it is right. If not, we can change it. Oh, no. Okay, see. Now, it's supposed to put it. Oh, it's not. I'm sorry. So this should have put a. This should have put a negative. Huh? Okay.
You can plug it in.
I'm plugging it.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. But hold on. I put it back. Okay, now we plug. Oh, forgot to put a power adapter here. Oh, this is not right. So hold on.
Right.
This is not right. Maybe positive, negative did a mistake. So let me change this one. Okay, so. Huh? Okay, this must go to here. A negative side. Okay, negative side. So let me plug this again. Okay, so now, see? So this negative, the negative goes to here, then the positive only one side here. So the negative and this positive goes to the negative. That's cross wire. So anyway, so now you can put up. So it works, right? It works. So if you have this, you can put up same thing. But I have to go underneath. So anyway, so this works. Hold on, let me try it again. Suppose this one go. Suppose this goes. Now we got so suppose it goes underneath here. Okay. This one is anyway positive. Yeah. Okay, put it right. Yeah. And this one put the right here. And this one, the third, the second one right here. Okay. Okay, hold on. Now you can close like that. So now you're gonna plug. Okay, ready? Like that. Yeah, you open it. So it's right here. Okay, so yeah, you can take it home now.